If you've been working harder every single year, but your bank account hasn't caught up, if inflation keeps eating into your paycheck so fast that it feels like you're running on a treadmill that never slows down, if you've ever had to check your bank account before filling your gas tank, or if you're tired of sacrificing nights, weekends, and memories with the people you love just to cover bills, then lean in because what I'm about to share with you could change your whole life. It could change everything for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a business model that doesn't just promise freedom, it's proven to create it. A business that works for you 24/7, even when you're asleep, even when you're traveling, even when you're simply living your life. A business that shows you step by step how to go from zero to $10,000 online without paid ads, without cold messaging, and without bothering friends or family. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how to start building your own income stream online. Why a proven plan matters. When you have a job, you're trading time for money. Work 40 hours, get paid 40 hours. Miss a shift, you don't get paid. That's exhausting. That's not leverage, that's a trap. But when you follow a proven plan, a system designed to free you from that trap, you start to create time freedom. And when you have time freedom, you gain peace. And when you have peace, you finally get to live life on your terms. That's why this matters so much, not just because the money, it's about stopping the cycle of stress and scarcity. It's about creating stability, freedom, and choices for yourself. Here's exactly what I'm going to show you today. This is what you're going to learn in this video. You're going to learn how to sell in-demand digital programs that make you 100% profit per sale. You're going to learn how to set up a fully automated system that works for you 24/7 so you can make money while you're sleeping. The exact 2-hour workday that runs this business. How to use attraction marketing to bring customers to you. No chasing people, no begging, no awkward messages. And how to start that system, how to turn that system into a daily paying income machine. And by the way, if you want this step-by-step guide, the exact PDF that shows you how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing, I've put it for you for free. I put it together for free inside of my bio. So just go to the link in my bio and put in your best email because that's how you get instant access. Now let's talk about the old way versus the new way. Let's talk about the old ways people try to earn money online and why they don't work for most people. Network marketing, MLM, I've done it. And here's the truth. You make a small percentage on every product. To earn real money, you have to build a big team. That takes years, endless recruiting, and the company can change the plan anytime. Your income can vanish overnight. I've seen it happen. Drop shipping, the margins are razor thin. You make pennies on the dollar, and you don't control supply. The moment a product runs out, your business stalls. Affiliate marketing, great for side money, but it's slow to grow. And commissions are small. You're promoting someone else's products and relying on them not to change the terms and conditions, which they do. Amazon FBA, high upfront costs, months before you see returns, and a mountain of competition. Trading or crypto, unstable, high risks, and not duplicatable. Most people lose more than they make. Here's what I realized. I didn't want more stress. I didn't want more risk. I didn't want to gamble with my future. I wanted something simple, fast to start, and built to scale without me working 12 to 18 hours a day. That's when I found digital programs with master resale rights and 100% profit. Why digital programs beat everything? Digital programs are global, no shipping, no warehouses, no stock to run out of, no delivery delays. They're part of a $950 billion market, the fastest growing industry in history. The e-learning industry alone went from $950 million in 2019 to over $1 billion a day by 2023 and is projected to triple by 2027. Why? Because people are learning everything online now. Cooking, coding, fitness, marketing, even how to train horses to dance ballet. If someone can sell a course like that and make 6 figures a month doing it, imagine what's possible when you sell high demand programs that help people with skills they actually need. The 100% profit model. Here's what makes this different, okay? Most businesses pay you a percentage. This one pays you 100%. You make the sale, you keep the full amount. You get a complete done-for-you automated website, what we call your freedom machine. It's ready to go, fully built for a one-time $39 hosting cost inside of the program. From there, every sale you make is yours. No splitting commissions, no handing money back to the company. And you're not doing this alone. You get full community support, mentorship, and customer service along the way. 4 streams of income. We don't give you just one program, okay? We give you 4. Why 4? Because people have different goals, budgets, and needs. Some start small, others go all in. By offering 4 proven in-demand digital programs, you multiply your chances of people saying yes. Our top seller is 900. And here's why that matters. If your Freedom Machine attracts just 20 people a day into your free offer, and even if only 1 in 20 decides to buy the $900 program, that's $900 a day. 1 out of 20, okay? So you need 20 leads a day. Do the math. That's 328,000 a year. And if you stay consistent, that's millionaire math in 3 years. You become a millionaire. Here's exactly how my business runs. 30 minutes posting free ads. 1 hour creating 3 short pieces of content daily. And that could take you even just 30 minutes once you get used to it. 30 minutes replying to comments and emails if you have them. And then you just go through training inside of our program. 2 hours, done. You can do it around your schedule. 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Your content is digital real estate. Once it's out there, it never goes away. It keeps working for you every single day. Once, it pays you over and over again. Proof that it works. I've seen people from every walk of life make this work. One woman, she worked 2 jobs. Her name's Amy. She's inside of our community. She started by squeezing in just 30 minutes here before work, 30 minutes at lunch, 30 minutes before bed. Within 10 weeks, she replaced both jobs and never looked back. Another person in our community started when she was drowning in debt, missing out on moments with her daughter. Within months, she paid off her bills, moved to the ocean, and built a business that gave her her life back out of South Africa. So we're changing lives globally. Okay, one guy I know literally started with $6 in his bank account. 19 months later, he's made nearly $500,000 with this business. The common thread, they all followed the same process I'm sharing with you right now. Okay, how to hit 10K months. So our $900 program is the best seller. With a 100% profit, you only need 12 customers a month. That's just 3 a week to hit $10,800 specifically. Think about it. Out of 5 billion people on social media, you only need 12 in a month, 12 customers. That's not just possible, it's predictable. Our community has over 55,000 members, weekly live trainings, and launched a profit in 7 days plan to help you start fast. Automation equals freedom. Your Freedom Machine does the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Someone enters their email to get your free guide, your free PDF, and then they're instantly shown your offer. The system follows up for you automatically, never has bad days, never gets sick, it never needs time off. It just works 24/7. Okay, what's included when you start? Here's what you get. You get a step-by-step, beginner-friendly digital marketing training, okay? You get a done-for-you automated website and sales funnel. You get pre-written content scripts and strategies to use, copy and paste strategies, and the Freedom Formula PDF to give away and build your list. Mentorship and support. 4 income streams. The 2-hour workday blueprint, plus bonuses, a Canva crash course, 30-day marketing growth map, faceless content strategies, and my mentor's personal $1 million in 17-month blueprint. Here's how you get started. The full program is $900. So these are the different investment options. $900, and it gives you all 4 income streams. There are also smaller packages at $600, $300, and $100, but the $900 program gives you the highest potential. Your next step is very simple. Get your free PDF guide that shows you how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. Okay, that's in the link to my bio, right? There's a link in my bio. Okay, that you're gonna get that free guide. Okay, it's the exact step-by-step blueprint, the same one that started this journey for me and thousands of others. So click the link in my bio right now. Use your best email so you don't miss it. And when you get it, just reply to my emails if you have questions. Check the overview so you can see the entire process clearly. If you're serious about creating freedom, don't wait, because the only thing standing between you and your first $900 day is getting started. So you've been working too hard for too little for too long. You've sacrificed enough time, peace, and dreams. This system is the proven plan that can finally flip the script. So click the link in the bio right now, grab your free PDF guide, and let's get you on the path to your first 10K online. This is possible for you. Not someday, not maybe, right now. Let's go. You got this.